boy, it has taken me far too long to get this damn thing working. Hey guys, welcome back to RX-16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. I'm testing out Lost in Random on the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the Ryujinx emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 and 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode. My gosh, I've been trying to play this game for like a year at this point on the Ryujinx emulator. I finally figured out I just needed to put it in with the update version 1.1 and it does run fine, which is awesome to me. This is the first cutscene already, and it's already booting up and it's running at 30 FPS, which is very impressive. I'm already loving this. Wanted to play it. I will test this on integrated graphics if it works. Not sure if it will. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Seriously, hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out on the channel. I post a lot of content like this, showing you how to get these games running, man. It's crazy stuff, but it seems to be running quite well off the bat. Like 30 FPS, like with no issue. Yo, I'm gonna need y'all to chill out a minute, though. Real quick, you just chill for me. All right, I'm gonna get that heavy attack ready when I'm done here. There you go. Oh, they want me to throw somebody. I threw him. Ooh, he gave me something bigger. Die. Oh, that was nice. I've got him some sort of mallet. I've just crushed you with my mallet. It seems to be running at 30 FPS long, which is actually really impressive. I've always said Ryujinx for the most part seems to run the system most of these games way better, all things considered. Like, that was a solid 30 FPS. That wasn't bad. That wasn't a cutscene. That was in game. This is also in game. They're in game cutscenes. I love it. And they're running at solid 30 on a first playthrough. Nice. This is actually would be very curious then to test on the integrated graphics. How would it perform? That won't do.
But that was in the era of the dice wielders. And like all eras, it too would come to an end, fading into legend and mystery.
But yeah, the game runs fine. So what I'm going to do here is just going to mute myself and enjoy the rest of the gameplay if it actually gets that far. I have no idea if it's going to crash. I have no idea. This is the first time testing it. Got really excited. I wanted to show you guys immediately. So yeah, enjoy the rest and I'll see you guys again. The CPU usage is quite something. My temperatures, man. My temps.
Our story begins later in Wanecroft, a small...
Odd! Wait! Stay behind me, sis. We've got to run home and hide. Now! Incredible!
Nothing to it, sis. Come on, let's get out of here.
Random rules!
Random rules! That's Nanny Fortuna. Works for the Queen, kidnapping children for her.
Kidnapping?
And so the Queen decreed that any child who had reached the age of 12 would be given the grand honor of rolling her one true dice, which would reveal to them their place in the world of random.
Guys, check out this secret portal.
Bring me all of the children.
It's an old crawl space.
It works for us. Nice work, Bernie. Let's go.
For the Queen's wisdom is as wide as her power, which is infinite, which makes it very easy for all of you to do what she said, since she is and ever shall be correct. And though you may feel a twinge of emotion when you watch your children move to their new adventures, ensure that you are feeling the correct emotion, which is joy. Joy that the Queen's plan for us is so grand. Joy that her one true dice has deigned to fix the fate of your offspring. And joy, yes, joy that today her representative...
Even! Odd! Where have you been? We've been worried sick.
I'm sorry, Dad. I tried to.
There's no time. She'll be here any minute.
Quick, get down.
Happy birthday.
Oh, even.
And I got a present for you.
It's so cute.
Make a wish.
And the Queen said, every child of 12 years shall throw this supreme dice, and so it was. For random is fair, random prevails, and random rules. Random rules! Be grateful, child, that the Queen herself is here for your special day. Now roll the dice, and let's see what kind of person you truly are.
It had been settled.
At least,